Alright, so I'm going to see if I can eat this. This Japanese knotweed is over 6 feet tall. Some of them are 8 feet tall. And I picked one of the bigger ones up the half top and I peeled it. Let's see if I can eat it. Is this thing on? Let me turn it around. There we go. Sun just went down behind me. I showed it in the video before. I should have left this on. So this is a bigger one. Look how long this was. So you get too stringy after this, probably can't eat them, but I think I can eat this shit. Let's try it out. I just peeled it. In a couple of days, you won't be able to. Hollow. Up to the knot. Peel it and do it again. As far as you can. Watch this. Here's another one. See how it's still young at the top. It's still fairly soft. I'll take that one. Too stringy at the bottom. I'll break it right about here. Or here. Should be able to eat halfway up. There we go. Let's see. Big one. Should be able to get something from here on up. There. Now it's getting softer. I'll peel this here too. Peel it. Believe me, you were thirsty. It's a kingfisher behind me, I hear it. If you were thirsty or hungry, you'd appreciate this. Look at that. I'll bring the rest back. It gets big, doesn't it? The jungle. Remember 2 weeks ago, picking the size of my thumb. Game warden didn't know what he's talking about. Destroying the forest. It's an invasive species.